Hello everyone, welcome back to the Office Excel course. In this section, I will introduce Format Painter. Firstly, let's see the basic way of using Format Painter. Before using it, select the cells that have been formatted. Then, click Format Painter under the Home menu bar. Next, click on another cell range and the format is copied immediately. To copy the cell format of an entire row or column, click the row number or column label to do the above operations. However, with this operation, we need to reselect the Format Painter repeatedly after copying. In this case, you can double-click the Format Painter. After double-clicking the Format Painter, it will be fixed, and you can apply the format to other cells indefinitely. To stop using it, just hit Enter. However, it is still troublesome to set up interlaced filling like this. Now, I will show you how to quickly achieve interlaced filling. Select the two rows of cells to be copied, click Format Painter, and select the range of cells to apply the format. Done. Similarly, if you want to copy the format of an entire table, frame the table range, click Format Painter, and frame another range of cells. The format will be applied immediately.